Now, very quickly, let me just talk about the Nearpod. The Nearpod is very easy and very straightforward. You just go to your Google Play Store and you download Nearpod. Once you download the Nearpod, you install that Nearpod. When you install the Nearpod, you open the Nearpod, and the first thing it's going to ask you is enter code. That's how they designed the Nearpod app for phones. So you click enter code. Now, in our past experiences, different teachers have sent us different code for our Nearpod classes. Very simple. You pick up the code, type it on that enter code box, and click next. So once you click the next, it will bring out everything on that Nearpod lesson for you, so you can view the slide one after the other. It might be a video, you play the video. It might be maybe time to climb. That is the time to climb is a set of questions that, it's just a game where the children see their mates also playing the games with them and all of those. That's time to climb. It can be quiz, just like a set of questions and you have to answer them just like a quiz format, normal pattern. And it can be different things. It can be videos, it can be picture, it can be PDF file, just for the child to learn. That is the function of the Nearpod. Most often, assignments have not been given on Nearpod, and it won't be given for now because we want to move our assignment to the Edmodo part of it. Okay, please, the link I dropped for you on WhatsApp is for you to follow the YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like the YouTube channel for subsequent informations so that you can get to us pronto. Thank you very much.